This is Honda CRV 1.5 turbo, right? So it is CRV 1.5 turbo, 2019 model, of course, 2019 model. The point here is that the customer was complaining, so this thing was misfiring, right? The engine was misfiring. Let me show you the car, but it seems it's nice, but let me show you the car. Yeah, that is, can you see? That is CRV 2019 model, and then CRV touring, right? Yeah, it's a very nice car, of course. If you don't know how to use it, you may say. So this is our garage, right? So you have a very nice, beautiful garage here. The customer was complaining that the engine is what misfiring, so he has tried and then went to many shops several times. They couldn't even solve that problem for him. Maybe they will do it, and then some few times the misfiring will come again, and then when it comes, the car doesn't pull at all, irrespective of how long you press the gas. It doesn't move. So what did we do? We have been dealing with this issue for some time now. So if you have a Honda problem, don't hesitate to comment. This is our shop, right? So this is our garage. You have a very beautiful garage here, right? Okay. Now, what was the problem? What's the problem? So only two things you have to look for. So in this case, the first thing was that you managed to find out. The first thing is the spark plug, right? The spark plug. There was a problem with the spark plug. So Honda is a car. If you are not very careful, Honda is a car. If you are not very careful with the type of spark plug you put on it, we are going to be in very big trouble. Of course, a very big trouble. You may think that your engine is not working properly, right? But that is not the case. So the key here is that make sure that the Honda spark plug that you buy fits your engine, right? So this is 2019. We have a 1.5. That is a 1.5. We have a 2. There's another model, right? There's another model. That is one thing you have to do. The Honda spark plug is very crucial. Very crucial thing. You have to pay a very close attention to. What was the second thing? So we realized that this table, the table, I don't know if you know the table, is at the down there. It's almost nice, so I cannot show you that part of the thing here. The table is at the down there. The table was leaking. There's an issue with that, right? There's an issue with the table. So you have to take that table out and then check out what exactly was wrong with that table. I wish I can show you under that. So we take out the table and then replace that. So those are the two things we did with this Honda CRV 2019 model. We give the spark plug that fits this vehicle, and then we also check on the table for him. So since then, the car owner has been enjoying the car without any issue. So he's just here for a simple engine service. So he says that he's hearing some noise. You can see the mechanic under the car there checking that noise at this point. Just a very I think that noise is coming from the exhaust side. When it starts, it just makes crack, right? So we are just going to fix the noise for him immediately. If you have any issue, don't hesitate. Your Honda spark plug is the key for your engine to avoid misfiring. You may think that all the coils are not working. My friend, be very careful. Make sure that you have a spark plug that fits your engine before you work on any other thing. So I'm about to start the vehicle, so just a very nice one, of course. Off. So look at the foot. It's not even the exhaust, so it's rather the what. Well, let me see. Let me see. Okay, start. So let's check how the fan is going to make a noise, and then the car owner says that is the exhaust. Here is the fan, right? The the fan rather. Okay.